Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kristi. I'm currently following the WW Blue program, but I do provide the points for all three programs on my channel. So I'd love to have you, and I hope you consider subscribing by clicking that subscribe button, and also make sure to click the notification bell so you're notified anytime I upload new content. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to take a butternut squash, cut it up, dice it up, portion it out, and keep it in your freezer. So easy and so much cheaper than buying it pre-cut. So let me take you along and show you how we do this. This is going to be a very super quick video. Many of you responded and asked me what I plan on doing with my butternut squash. I had this in a grocery haul video. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm just going to dice it up. I'm actually using it in a recipe tonight. I'm making sheet pan kielbasa bowls, and I need about 8 ounces of cubed butternut squash. And then the rest of it I'm just going to put in my freezer. So all you're going to need for this is a peeler and a knife. So let me show you how easy this is. Just peel the skin off it. Alright, now we're going to take our knife and just cut the ends off. And then just cut it like about 1/2 inch pieces, 1/2 inch to 1 inch, until you get to the part with the seeds. There we go. Once you get to the part with the seeds, just scoop those out. Sometimes it's a little bit easier if you just cut it out. So you can see that I still got quite a bit to get out of this one. I'm going to weigh out 8 ounces because that's what I need for dinner tonight. Alright, that's going to be good. About 9 ounces there. And with the rest, I'm just going to cut it up into cubes. Portion it into another 8 ounces, which I probably could have done this before I cut it, but I wasn't thinking that far ahead. Because for my recipes, I usually use about 8 ounces in each recipe. And I'm going to use my vacuum sealer. Seal that end. And then just kind of flatten it down the best you can before you seal the other end. And that's it. And then I'll just put that right in my freezer. And then when I make next time I make a kielbasa bowl or something that I need butternut squash, then I can just pull those out. So now I'm just gonna go through and portion the rest of these out. that is it. So I have my 8 ounces here for dinner tonight. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packages of 8 ounces and 1 package of 7 ounce. So that one butternut squash made all this. So that's it. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. And if you're new, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I'm Kristi and I'm Planning Us Healthy.